Bourbon and Guns continued our matchups with Knob Creek 21 against its little brothers. This matchup is Knob Creek 15, right? Both 100 proof. Knob Creek 21 and 15. Thank you to Guy Gordon for the sample. So 250 compared to, I'm thinking about 120 or so. We'll let Guy comment and tell us what he actually paid for. So let's see if the extra price is worthwhile. Number one, very oaky, kind of a citrusy scent. Very nice. Wow. Whoa. That's so good. I didn't want to swallow it. I just could have left it in my mouth for an hour. But very spicy. Got some nice spice to it, but just very oaky and creamy. Some nice oaky. Wow. Got a little extra notes coming in there. A little bit of leather. Very sugary, though. Very, very nice. Very nice. I like it. Number two. Well, this one's got a little bit of a creamier, sweeter, sugary note to it. With that nice bread, sweet bread cooking. Wow. This one is not as spicy. It is creamier and smoother with some very nice notes as well. Let me go through these again. Okay, guys. I love them both. But number two just has this creamier, sweeter mouthfeel with this really, really long finish. A little bit, seemed to be a little oakier and a little more viscosity and mouthfeel. I'm going to give it to number two. But they're very close, guys. Not really a lot of difference at all. That is Knob Creek 21. I'm sorry. Knob Creek 15. So this is lost twice. Bourbon tastes like a warm summer day.